Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like you all know that we are just covering up the Java videos, and with that Java videos I have also started new Android tutorial series. So today we are covering that Android tutorial series, and I will be today telling you how you can build an amazing multi-screen Android app, because previously we have also built Android app, but that was not multi-screen Android app. That was the simple Android app which I have telling you can build using Android Studio. But today I will be telling you that how you can build an amazing multi-screen simple Android application using Android Studio. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well. So if you understand, enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can build this amazing multi-screen Android app using Android Studio from start. So just like I'm telling you that we'll be just building a different application. Today I will be telling you that how we can build an amazing multi-screen Android application in this video. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this amazing you can say multi-Android application using amazing Android Studio. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just build this project. So for building this amazing project here, you have to just directly move here. Like in the previous video we have learned about photo frame, and I've telling you in detailed video like what is photo frame and how you can use it. So in this video we are working on our amazing multi-screen Android application. I will be telling you that. So you all know that like when we build anything, so we get multi-screen. Like when we write anything on this white screen, so we get on this screen. So this is called the multi-screen thing which I want to show you. So like this, in the previous video we have written photo frame. You can just change this text and you can write any other thing in this text here. Like if I press this text here, and you can see in this text we have written photo frame. So you can just write here multi-screen app, enter. So when you will be pressing, you can see now we are just getting the change text. I have written here multi-screen app. So now you can just create your own multi-screen app. So you have to just directly you can use different things here. Like you can use image view. From here you can just take the images which you want to take from your desktop or from your computer, or you can also take normal images which is getting in Android Studio randomly. You can also use this scroll view here, and there are many other things which you can use. Like if you want to use the text here, you can use the text as well. Like if you want to take this text align, and if you want to make it like align like this, so you can just also make this text good looking here. So you can just do it in center of the page, or you can just set its margin and the padding, so you can take this text down. So this is the thing, like you can just set here. So you can just now set its text margin here. Like if I write margin, so you will be getting the layout margin of this text. So you can see there is many of the layout margin. You can give layout margin from left, right, means from where you want your layout margin you can put in your text. So this was the thing which I want to show you. Like this, we have just put the text. So you can also use the button here. So I will be telling you how you can just use this button. You can take this button down, so you can just style this and you can work on this button. So you can just directly just you have to press this, and then you have to now do one thing. You have to just make it here, and then I will be now raising this, and then you have to just do one thing. Like here I will be now writing another tag. You can say you can take it to insert left. Like if you want to make it left, right, top, bottom. So if I want that 10 dB top bottom should be from here, you can see the top bottom has been set here. Now if you want not any of the top bottom, so you can just set this top bottom to none here as well. So here I will be writing dp icon padding, which should be 10 dB. You can just set the icon padding here as well if you want to set. Then you can just set the text alignment here which you want to set. You can make, if you want to make it in the small character, means if you don't want to get all the letter capitalized, so you can use the you can say any other functionality of this. Then there is corner radius as well. You can use corner radius also. Then these are the margins where you can use in this amazing multi-screen application. So here you are getting these all stuff. Then this is the text view. This is the recycler view option. From here you can just do one thing. You can just write these all stuff which I'm telling you here. Like you are getting these all things here in this, so you can just use this all stuff like this, like we have just written put here. So after putting this recycler view, you can see like I've just put recycler view here. You can just align this recycler view. You can take it at the top if you want to take. You can align the things from here. If you want to just remove this, so you can also remove like this. You can see like this, it will be removed. And if you want to just set it like this, you can just set its coordinate layout. So if you want to just give some of the other things here, you can just convert to string. Then you can just directly scroll it here. You can see like this, I'm just scrolling it, then you can directly do button. You can see you can now do it in center. So like this you can just scroll these all stuff. Then this is the recycler view list which we are getting. You can style this recycler views list as well. Now if you want to run, so like this you can just put any of the scroll view from here. Like if I press this scroll view here, so this is the scroll view which we are getting in this project. You can see this is the amazing scroll view which we are getting, like box shadow thing, you can say this here. So I will be now writing here text. You can change the text here, like I will be changing the text to like you can write here multi press this button. Like this I've created randomly one button which is called press this button. I've just given it the name. Then I will be now making this recycler in which I will be writing the things. So here I will be now writing the element 1. So you can see there are many of the elements which we are getting in this item list tag. So here I will be now just moving here in this. Then you have to just set the constant width which you want to set from here. You can just set its constant width here like you want to set. You can see this is the things which we are getting in this constant width. So here this is the recycler view. Then this is the button tag which we have just built. Here you can just press this button to move on. Then you can just press this switch here. So like this I have just taken this switch, and I will be now writing the name of the switch like dark mode. Press enter. You can see like this I've just now given it as dark mode. Now I want that when I press this, so my you can say when I press this dark mode, so my background should be changed into black. So you can do this all stuff by coding, but today we are in this video not learning about coding only. I am telling you that how you can use it in your project. So like this, if you want to create any of the mobile, so you can just create any of mobile from this Android, from download that. So if you are having no device, you can pair device using Wi-Fi, or you can use the device manager. Means you can download emulator in your PC, but it takes some of the spaces. So remember that if you are not having some space, so don't download it. You can link your mobile through you can say through Wi-Fi or through the connecting you can say cable like we are getting of the charger cable. You can also connect it with your PC to work with that, and when you will be running your application, so it will be showing you the output of your application on your mobile. So like this you can use. So these are the devices which we are getting. You can press device manager to open device manager, and you can just download some of the devices which you are not having. You can also use the SDK tools. Means if you are not having the SDK tools which you needed to download emulator, so you can just download it from here. But I am just getting all this stuff, so I've just created this multi-screen app. You can see you can use it the dark mode. You can press this button to move on. You can also create some of the other things here, like if you want to add any other like there are many other things. You can see this, like we are getting button tags. Then you are also getting the common things which which many of the people use. If you want to use some of the other things here, you can just getting here. You can see you can use different things which we are getting, like in the containers you can use many different containers which you want to use here. These are the helpers. Then these are the Google, like you can use the Google Maps as well if you want to view the map. So you can just download this Google Map. But for working with this Google Map or add view, you have to just download one library which is analyzing and dependency compatibility. It is asking with me, and then when it will be done, so it will be showing you my map view on the screen here. So this was the thing which I want to show you here. Like this you can see when I've just created this, so when you will be pressing this thing, so it will be showing you here. So move on to this tab. Then these are the flow of data, and these are the Google and grid list which we are getting here. Containers we are getting many of the. Then these are the layouts in this multi-screen app which we are getting. You can use frame layout here in this multi-screen. You can see like this I will be I will be making this frame layout here, and then you can just work and use this frame layout to just style your background or to style your container. Like this you can do. So I hope you understand this, how we have just worked with multi-screen app and how we have built this amazing multi-screen Android application. So if you have understand, enjoy this video of Android screen multi, or you can say multi-screen application which we have built using Android Studios. Remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these things, like how we can build projects using these all amazing languages. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.